Fortress Power released this eBoost battery, and it has a few features that I haven't seen in many other batteries. Here we have one eBoost 16 kilowatt battery with one behind it, and Fortress has this listed where we can have one right in front of each other, but with this flexible tube here, we can roll the front battery away when we need to service all the connections in the back battery that the inverter is bolted to. Because the battery is already unlocked, we can slowly, carefully, because it's a little top heavy, we can roll it out just a little bit, and now we can have access to this E-way for the Guardian and any other connections we have inside. This feature here is critical for applications where we don't have tons of wall space to bolt the batteries to the wall, but we have more space in front of the inverter. We can utilize more of that kind of working space for battery storage during kind of just day in, day out applications. I like having all these pre-cut knockouts on the sides so that we could do the flex tight for the battery in front, or if you're wiring a whole bunch of batteries, the knockouts already exist, speeding up installation. I'm excited to show you this Solis inverter. It's a hybrid battery storage inverter. Here we have the 16 kilowatt, has multiple PV inputs, 200 amp pass through. We're able to back up a whole home, do a lot of kind of fun stuff with it. It has kind of very flexible time of use where we can tell it when to charge, when to discharge, when to use the batteries. Like we can make full use of our solar and our energy storage to offset and save the most money. We have 200 amps grid input, 200 amp load output, and a third port called the generator port that's user defined. It can be either a generator or be configured for a smart load for like dump loads or for conditional loads that you want to run at certain times. 200 amp pass-through allows us to back up our whole home, be able to offset kind of any loads you want. 6 PV inputs with 3 trackers, allowing us to put like almost 21K worth of solar on the roof. And here I got it paired with the Discover Helios, but it can work with Pikes batteries. It can work with all kinds of other batteries that we offer. We offer 2 different sizes. We offer the 11.4 kilowatt inverter, and the 16 kilowatt is going to be your most cost-effective price per kilowatt of inverter capacity. Fortress released the Solo 6.5 kilowatt inverter. Just got it hung on the wall. Very impressed with it. Kind of wanted to show you a little bit about it, introduce it, and give you a few specs. First thing we see is AC input and output breakers. We've got a battery breaker. It's IP20 rated, so indoor use. 2 NPPTs, 5 kilowatts per NPPT, so a total of 10 kilowatts of total solar for one inverter. We can configure it for just 120 volts for a cabin, or we could do split phase, or here we can even do 3-phase with multiple inverters. These inverters are parallel. They do have remote monitoring with the SolarMan app. Very impressed with this inverter so far. Just hung it on the wall. Need to do a little bit more testing, but something we definitely recommend checking out.